Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.5 question number 6. Find all the prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relation if any between two consecutive prime factors. Now first of all we'll find the prime factors of 1729, right? We'll find the prime factors of 1729. 1, 7, 2, 9. First of all, we will try by 2, but here the last digit is 9, therefore it is not divisible by 2. Now, we will try by 3, we will get the sum of all the digits, that is 1 plus 7, that is 8, 8 plus 2, 10, plus 9, 19. Therefore, it is also not divisible by 3. 19 is not divisible by 3, therefore this number is not divisible by 3. Then 5, since the last digit is not 5 or 0, it is not divisible by 5. Then 7, then 7. What is the divisibility rule of 7? The divisibility rule of 7 is difference between the number formed by last 3 digits and the number formed by rest of the digits should be divisible by 7. Right? What is the last 3 digit? 7 to 9. Right? That is 729. The rest number is 1. Right? We will subtract this number, that is 1. We are getting 728. 728. If this number is divisible by 7, then 1729 will also be divisible by 7. Let us divide 728. 7, 7 1 just 7, then 2, 7 0, 0, 2, 8, 4 7 28, 4 7 28. Therefore, this number is divisible by 7. Therefore, 1729 will also be divisible by 7. Let us divide it by 7. 1729. 1, 7, 2, 9. We divide it by 7. Now, 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is 14. 14. We subtract it. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now 2, 32. 4 7 is 28. 4 7 is 28. 8. 19 11 12 4. 49. And 7 7 is 49. 7 7 is 49. Right? Therefore, 1729 is divisible by 7. That is, we are getting, if we divide this number by 7, we are getting 247. 47. Now, we divide 247 by which number we will see. Is it divisible by any other number? It can be divisible by 7. No. It will be divisible by 13. Right? We will divide 247 by 13. Here you see, we are dividing 247 by 13. That is 13 1 is 13. 1 is 13. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 117. If we multiply 13 with 9, what we are getting? 3 9 is 27. 9 is 9, 10 11. 117. That is 19. 9. 1, 1, 7. That is 13 into 19 is 247. That means if we divide this number by 13, then we are getting 19. Right? Now, we will write 1729. We will express this number in terms of its prime factors and in ascending order, that is 7 into 13 into 19. Right? Now, state the relation, if any, between two consecutive prime factors. Right? Consecutive prime factors. Now, after 7 we are getting 13. What is the relation between them? And After 13 we are getting 19, right? Here you see the difference between 13 and 7 is 6, and the difference between 13 and 19 is also 6, right? This is the relation between the prime factors. Again we are repeating, that is, first of all you have to find the prime factors of 1729. Here you see 1729, it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3 also, because if we add the numbers, that is 7 plus 8, 19, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3, therefore it will not divisible by 3. Then 5, it is not divisible by 5, because the last number is neither 0 or 5. Then 7. Here you see what is the divisibility rule of 7. The divisibility rule of 7 is difference between the number formed by last 3 digits and the number formed by rest of the digits should be divisible by 7. The last 3 digits is 729 and the rest number is 1. We have subtracted 729 minus 1, that is 728. And here you see 728 is divisible by 7, therefore 1729 will also be divisible by 7. Therefore 1729, we have divided it, we got 247. Here you got 247. And 247 is either only divisible by 13 or 19. That is, we are getting 13 into 19, and both are prime numbers. Therefore, we can write 1729 as 7 into 13 into 19, right? And also it is in ascending orders, that is 7, then 13, then 19. And what is the relation between them? You see, if we add 7 with 6, we are getting 13, and we add 13 with 6, we are getting 19. Therefore, the difference between the prime factors is 6, right? This is the relation between the consecutive prime factors, right? This is the solution of question number 6.